Sanibonani guys, how are you guys? Useziyangibhalela asho sithini ubabethu uyasithakatha. Ubabethu usithakatha aphila, usithakathe aphila namanje usithakatha sethuneni. Athi ubabethu uyathakatha awushozi to an extent ukuthi izinto azenzeka like besingabelieve, like as believe namanje. We are still shocked even nano. Uthi ubabami awushozi uhlangane nomama masesemncane uthi kwabe sebaqala badate uthi my grandmother umakamama watshela umama ukuthi lo muntu loyo lavela khona ikibo ifamily abangalunganga ifamily kangayo, so it's best ukuthi wena uphume kulento lekusesemasinye so cause ile family ayaluka. Uthi ubabami uvela from ebukhosini and ebukhosini laba bazi ukuthi lasasikhona ukuthi bayathakatha ke banisha pula bebakhona ukunisha imvula. So umama being in love wathandana nobabami, what I was choosing umama before zoba nabantwana uthi like uthole ama miscarriages uthi abantwana bebadlule emhlabeni until azoba nosisi wami, and then my mamkhulu wami usisi wakhe uthi wambalekisa because thinking ukuthi nalomntwana mse angaze naye shona because of abantwana baka mama bebaphelela phansi yabona, wambalekisa ukuthi ayikhulisa umntwana. What I was choosing uthando being in love, uthando being uthando. My mother wabelana nobabami wabe sekuba nathi ke saba yi5 sonke. What I was choosing ubabami umunye umuntu ononya, ubabami unenhliziyo embi akathanda izinto ezinhle sivelela abantwana bakhe like ufuna impilo ibe about yena I1. All the sad part is that ubabami ungena isonto, sonke singena isonto sifake isonto, but kulelo sonto leso lokulelo sonto lelo the sad part ukuthi they didn't even pick up ukuthi ubabami uyathakatha but besiya esontweni besikhomitted to going to church. So uthi umama ubabami like uyothakathayo but ukhona ukwenza like the face iface kamama kube ngathi everyone mababona mama ngathi uyathakatha and umama makathakathi, the person uthakathayo ukwazi ukuthakatha kubabami, but because of umama bengifila ngathi uthanda umama ubabami kakhulu or nokuthi ubabami like he has this thing ukuthi hypnotize ungayenza into enze lena but wena ungaziboni uzobona immediately ma snap out of it. Or awushozi ukafila ngari uthi remote wali press ukuthi yenza so uthi ibeyenzeka uthi mina ngirealize ukuthi sayenza lento le cause mina I was the only one who was able to see izinto baba mazenzayo, but mangitshela umama like I still believe they said but angabelieve. What else was ubaba muzokwenza izinto ezi wrong like utla uyirisa into wrong most snap out of it uzobona ukuthi hayi mara ngikuzinjani ukuthi ngenze so. It's because of my father izinto bekazenza even uthi mina for me to confirm everything because of bekayenza kumama umama angaboni ukuthi into sokuyenzile maka snap out of it khani ngibona ukuthi nomuntu lo kusho everyone usenza so. Or I was sure thina sikhulele emkhukhwini ekithi bekusemkhukhwini bekunganandlu bayangakha ngubabami. Or I was sure last besihlala khona uthi mina ekithi bekuhlala hlangahlangene. The sad part is that nanoma ungaklina or also leko kabutha wapaka kahle ngoba within 30 minutes uthi kuba ngathi kuba nento efika ehlangahlanganise uthi ekithi sikhule kuyimess like that. Even if ungaklina kanjani kugcina go end up asekuba imess. Or awushozi ubabambe komunye umuntu ukuthi each and every year uyagula nje uphatha isifo sisnacks uyagula uyesibhedlela then mara admit uyabuhlala malanga uyabuka each and every year besazi bekuyinto esijwayele gore nathwara keng lako eorel babanyane we didn't know yabona. So uthi nathi lento le ukuthi siyakhula like uthi besizagula nje sihlangahlangane sonke siyifamily uthi but basigula so ubabambe bekazingazigeni bangeke abuze anything ukuthi niphethwe yini kwenzakalani abuza umama ukuthi ngakunceda ngengani. Uri awushoze basalikeni anje analikolo isosigula beyangas assistina ngemoto bekuba mama aphuma yama up and down ayosincedisa asihambisa ukuthi siphole sibe right. Uri awushoze kuba bonke abantwana abayi5 usebenza usisi wami my1 and umuntu osebenza ilo muntu decide ukuthi you know what mina I'm going indlela ngiyohamba lendlela yabo makhosi because lesi ihamba la endlini ayina asebenzile. Or I was choosing mina ngibe umntwana ukuthi ngiyakhona ukubona izinto like ebusuku mangilele like akhona ubonishwa uthi ngiyakhona ukubona ngitshela umama but umama ngeke azabelieve anything uthi umama ahamba atshila ubabami or ubabami arya that's why wonde so utile so tisha kurubulela maqa unale maqa yabona uthi vele kube into ukuthi vele ubaba akayithandi vele into yami lenyenzayo, or I was just okay sharp ngiziconcentrate lezincwadini. Uthi mina likely I was that one child okhonayo vele ukufunda oleng bright. Uthi ngenze matric, after matric ngithole into le ngifunde ngithole lerking nafsas ingifande ngingene isikolo and then ngicedelana ngithole ne-internship. Or I was sure from esikolweni bengathandwa mina, like papa kana rikenzitshele fifi everywhere you go, like obale sinyama wahloyiwa limabi. Uthi from high school bengathandwa, ngaya university bengingathandwa, ngathola internship or more internship bekisa kule internship bengingathandwa. Which like la ngiyakhona vele mina ngiyazazi, and I'm someone ukuthi ngiyazithulela angikhulumi, because I know hore mo ke yang koteng go tlhakatlhakana. Uthi vele bekuyimpilo yami sengijwayele, and abantwana basekithi indlela engihamba indlela nabo abayihambayo everywhere la siya khona asithandwa, like rina le fifi urapeshithe le fifi yabona. Or I was just ngiye internship yami iphele nje just like that, without if any valid reason ukuthi kanjani ivele iphele bavele bangikhathe off just like that. Uthi I ngaleso sikhathi ngizivelele ekhaya, like we didn't even have that idea ukuthi asambe ngithi umakhosi sobona ukuthi what's going on la nekithi. Or I was just mina ubaba bakushaya u12 ebusuku. Uthi sine family asekithi sikhule endaweni sazi ukuthi eyithi sizothola izinyoka ejardini, sizothola izinyoka, sizothola ama frogs ingcoxo ngisho igcoxo ejardini. Or I was sure ubaba azithi 12 a.m. every midnight uyaphuma and ushut the door wide open, uyaphuma ubuya ngo4 a.m. every single day. Mama mazanga mbuza ukuthi uyapi, nathi azange simbuza ukuthi uyapi, but besijwayele ukuthi ngo12 umama ubaba uyaphuma asho umnyango akawukhiya umnyango ushiya ukhamsile uzovalwa makabuya, into esikhule ngayo each and every time. Or sisuke vele emkhukhwini babe like vele umama mvele bathole iRDP. Uthi mase ku-RDP awusoze maslina vele yithi kitaba hore wa tlhakatlhakana. Or one day maslina kamareni la mama nobaba uthi ngithole like ama sticks. Or I was just ama stick at different different shapes uthi ama wool different shape, uthi izinto zakhona zibophe ngenye indlela, like uthi mawuyibheka uyafeel ukuthi maridiluthe asidiluthe tsheti right kilobona. Or I was just like uzobona ukuthi hayi man la zinto angafuni ngazo lezo zinto lezo izibe kuyizinto zakababa. Umama wami izinto zakababa bekazikhipha safe la, noma if into khona beyihama thina bekazikhipha safe or bedilika kamareni. Or I was just mina uma ubaba bekangena lesonto lelo ukuthi uya esontweni ahamba pheka izinto zasesontweni kuphuzi, uthi bekathatha izinto zasesontweni azena zindlela azozipheka. I don't want to mention any church name yabona. So uthi makafika endlini afika pheke ubaba bekathatha izinto zasesontweni azimixene izinto zakhe and then asiphuzise, because thina singena lelo sonto so nathi besizophuza. Or I was sure into enzeka beyiba snacks ukuthi each and every time asiphuza lezi zinto lezi besivomita yena athi sikhipha ubuthakathi kanti bekuye bekasifaka ubuthakathi emzimbeni. Or especially my younger brother vele bezingamthandi bekaqeda ukuphuza avomite, but bekahlala asiphuzisa nathi the way bekusnack singakhona nokuthi sale because of bekasifaka under ispell sakhe besingakhona ukwala besiziphuza, and bekasiphuzisa zona ngenkani ukuthi phuzani. Uthi besiphuza from everyone, from my mother, my siblings, everyone bekaphuza lezo zinto lezo bekazipheka each and every time then siyaphuza. Uthi awushozi umama ne dewe bekazona ngakhona umama, if ever bomakhelwane bayamzonda umama because abantu bebathuma mama uyathakatha. If ever ngazothi umama maybe sithi umama spin next door uthi umama uyathakatha abasazwana, uthi bekahamba ayozishomanisa naloyo muntu lo. Bangathi ubaba usibanibani azonda umama bathi umama uyathakatha, behamba ayozishomanisa nalo muntu lo. Futhi like if every enemy ka mama beumngani wakhe the way ubaba mbeka evil ngakhona. So it happened ukuthi ubaba iyacala vele uyagula awushozi mazocala vele ukugula uthi bekanokuthi like aphume like emini then ame like la phakathi kwejarata and then alebele khodim isikhathi eside then aphinda abele endlini abheke phezulu isikhathi eside then aphinda like bekuyinto yakhe every day bese lesijwayele. So it happened ukuthi vele iyacala vele uzogula. So makacala vele agula kunomunye ubaba la sala kuzena la sala khona. Or awushozi papa ka uterikolo ya high imoto right ebengasinceda esifamily akazuqala ukugula uthi wathatha imoto wathi uyayifuna imoto na lo baba wathi yebo wathi na imoto ngiyakupha arikolo ya gage or awushozo ka believe gore papa ka bana lekolo entle smart but azange afuna ukuthi any of abantwana bakhe even ubhuti wami azange afuna ukuthi any of abantwana bakhe bayisebenzise bayithathe but ukhonile ukuyinikeza umuntu wasikumakhelwane free of charge without anything or awushozi mina ubaba bengasiconsider kahle esabantwana bakhe bengasiconsider as dixoxwane tjaka or izinto angazisebenzisa bengasiconsider esabantwana bakhe be only people beka consider abantu bebazonda umama beka phambili labo bantu beka bathanda or awushozi kwenzeke ke ukuthi ubaba manje uyakhula ke akulu baba wami admit esibhedlela or awushozi umama wami aphakame athi ubona umyeni wakhe esibhedlela afika esibhedlela ubaba amxoshe njengenja angafuni ukuthi umama mangene azombona or awushozi unfortunately ubaba mvele ashona mashona as like makunomnqwabo efamily ngishifana ukuthi izinto zakhe nazibutha nasixoxa or awushozi masixoxa izinto zaka baba lamawulawa la abo snacks lawa nale godo sisekhona but this time sithole ithailam ufake hangerin ulklimile like mo inhlokweni yehanger ulfase namawulu kwaba the first sign ukuthi usiswa ama believe ukuthi ubaba vele like he was trying to ukuthi angibulale so uthi after the funeral awushozi besiphupha ubaba uthi every time sombona ubaba angene endlini thina sihleli mara yena afika angene afika agoqa izandla athule uthi lento level iyenzeke kaningi until seswamathi no angeke phela ngathi kuba ngathi siphila nesipoko phela endlini asambe nizofuna umakhosi azosinceda phela if ever lo muntu lona akangalalanga la khona bamlalise or awushozi siswa mahambe athole lesimakhosi waseZimbabwe makafika kumakhosi makaphonza phansi amathambo abuza ukuthi ubabeni beka inyanga na sithe ubaba ngasinyanga athi why la kubonakala ngathi uyinyanga asitha ubaba makasinyanga uthi appoint mina ubaba khona bekafuna ukubulala bekazi ukuthi isikhathi sakhe sifikile but bekafuna ukushifta la isifo sakhe uthi sithathe mina ukuthi that hanger leyana benetha yami bekuyithi uyafuna ukubulala mina unfortunately azange khona ubaba awushozi ushone so ungene kubhuti wami my younger brother ushonile wona yena khona ungena ngazi bangena kanjani abathakathi ebantwini wangena kubhuti wami after my father's death wabangathi possessed amademon ubhuti wami sophathi mase ubhuti wami ufuna ukubulala abantu ubhuti wami uyahlupha nje umuntu ubeka right before my father died wavele wabana le demon ukuthi kohayi wathakathakanya should like olusa everyone ufuna ukubulala like umuntu ngathuni kwela igazi ufuna ukubulala makhosi wathi ubabakho ungene kubhuti wakho and he's trying by all means ukuthi ahlanganise impilo zenu ubabakho wayenzonda so uthabuza umama mvela angashonesi or awushozi ntonga ubotsa ngona ko gore lo yamakhosi asho athi ninobabeni nifake izinto emzimbeni aronifakile silfifi ulifakile sinyama unifake izilwane ayikho into yeni ezolunga emhlabeni ngoba lo muntu lo lonke ufana nokuthi unikhesile ayikho into yeni ezolunga or awushozi na ezinye izinto baba ngoba bengizibona beke believe but for us ukuthi singaba nezinto eziphila kithi emzimbeni bengabelieve ngizofaka picture to show la usisi lento lebazikhiphe uthi awushozi under our ankles ilalo makhosi lo oqale khona athi izinto zilapho and lezo zinto lezo zisebenza like trackers he tracks each and every movement empilweni yenu la ningaya khona akukho la ningaya khona uba benangazi nanoma sethuneni ashonile ayikona into ekadiragala ngophelo ngobalena papa lena sayitsebe uyantracka nonke family or awushozi mangakutshela ukuthi umakhosi wa decide ukuthi no one asicale ukuthi lo muntu lo siyambulala siyamlalisa like like fully and then sikhona ukuthi simphindele sethuneni alale completely because of arobal uyezendlini ungene kubhuti wakho uyanitracka like i-monitoring spirit uyanimonitora everywhere akukho into enizolunga uyaniblock amawukari uyakwa la kwangathi uya somewhere else laba kubizele khona i-interview akafika lapha yena already so crash everything like i-monitoring spirit yanimoshela. So umakhosi waqala walalisa the father makadala wathi okay manje fanele simkhiphe lama tracker anifake wona. Or I was just believe the way I was so traumatized. Athi mina kimi no umunye nalaba abanye siphume the 18. Uthi I was just the way I was so traumatized. I wish ngabe ngathatha video. Athi lezi zinto lezi bazikhiphe last month. Gibo emzimbeni. Or awushozi lo baba lo umakhosi lo waseZimbabwe uvele wathi izinto lezi we need to take them out because they work as trackers emzimbeni wenu. Or awushozi bezi down like under our ankles. Uthi mina kimi nalaba abanye uphume like small crocodiles. They want crocodile, and the funny part it's ule inze ephela. Awushozi it's ule inze athi ku my sister and the other sibling athi kuphume yini yo legama mina ngiyalikhohlela English nuku lento lena mahlabahlaba amaningi unaleyo athi uthule nuku but like a small othi izinto ezincane athi zincane angeke uzubhili ukuthi into ingaba incane like that uthi enyane but zonke ziyaphila. So I'll attach a picture like to show la bamazikhiphe khona because uthi lela langa abazikhipha beka traumatized she couldn't even take a video but bazikhiphile. Or awushozi wona no konhlungu at least unale peace but we are not sure ukuthi kuzoba ne peace until nini because umakhosi he's still busy assisting. So and uthi this funny part ukuthi ekibo mama ke kwabantu atlos nabo and ngibo babambe bangamfuni from kudala. So we are dealing nalezi zinto lezi thina sisodwa abantwana baka mama no mama uba mama even though ku consult you like sometimes I believe sometimes I believe because of bekayenziwe it's hard ukuthi asnipe out from ngoba a puppet kilobani akababam. So or awushozi wona no umuntu o bathi bamphile inkoloyi babaka usana mama ka usana maphepha akoloyi. So but the person ithethe imoto even though baba mashonile uyithethe akangayibuyisanga. So or no I just pray and hope ukuthi izinto zefamily seyithi zilunge because of like we've been through a lot. Awushozi lififike into eretsi bango family yakho akabrena amabhadi izinto sizaziyo at especially my brother befuthi beka worse like be umunye umuntu ngathi silwane besingamazi but at least umakhosi lo waseZimbabwe like he tried ukuthi assist yabe right. So as we speak rekawoni I'm not saying like we are perfect si sharp but sisamele umakhosi ukuthi aqede le process yokuthi uyasilapha but the only person osincedile kahle uthi sisuke kulezi zinto lezi usiswami because sihambile besihamba uma ubehamba akekho umuntu wakhuluma the way ubaba ngakhona like akhuluma izinto ezi fact or baba ka also and the funny part ukuthi besingena isonto be reacquiring akekho umuntu noke one way pick up ukuthi ekithi basenzana. Hayi siyabuya sheme South Africa. Siyabuya South Africa guys. Bye guys.